Hi everyone, so today I wanted to share with you all a product which I have just received, and that is from a brand Earthy. So basically, first of all, let me tell you that I personally wanted to use this product because the brand claims the right extraction method, and also they claim that all the ingredients are from Ayurvedic herbs and ingredients and spices, and there is no toxin, no chemicals, no paraben, nothing. So I really wanted to use it because it's so pure and natural. So basically I just wanted to share it with you all, and let's do unboxing and let's see how is the product genuinely. I loved the box and the packaging because it's so stylish, and also it was giving so luxurious feel. So yeah, I believe it's so beautiful. Thank you, Earthy. So let's open it. I hope you can see. Wow, it's again a luxurious feel. Two glass bottles, and that's amazing that the bottles are of glass and also of dark color, which actually avoids any kind of contamination due to atmosphere or light. So there are two bottles. One is face serum and one is hydrating cream. Hope you can see it. Let's try the texture, like how it feels on skin. Let's try it. It's amazing bottle and amazing feel. Okay, let me take some water on my hand. Okay, so see, I have taken a good amount on my hand. Let's rub it. Wow, it's actually very amazing. It's so light on skin, and I mean, it's neither oily nor water kind of consistency. It's so amazing. Wow, and the smell is so kind of Ayurvedic, and I can just sense it from the smell itself that it actually contains some amazing Ayurvedic herbs and spices. Wow, it's amazing. Now let's try the hydrating cream also. I would really suggest this one to people who have sensitive skin and who actually don't want anything consisting of chemicals. Okay, nice bottle. I actually loved the whole packaging process and bottle and everything. So I'm taking a pump. Nice. Wow, it's again so smooth and so light. The best part is that it doesn't, it's not like other face creams which are very heavy on face, and this is so light. It seems like I have nothing on my skin. And yes, 100 out of 100 for the smell, because I personally love that kind of smell, raw and natural. So yeah, I loved it. You can totally give it a try because I'm already in love with this product, and I'm sure that I'm going to use more of it. So yeah, that's it for now, and you can feel free to DM and let me know if you have any question. And yes, I loved it. So you can just go and try it. I will tag the page below. You can just go and check out. You can personally ask them about everything. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed it. Take care. Bye bye.